Many strange tales are told of this jungle, but none so strange as the tale of the cub we call Mowgli.
The original Jungle Book, the 67 animated Disney version, was something I grew up with. When you take on a piece of content and you update it, you have to be sure that there's a reason for it. What makes us able to make this movie now is the technology to have photoreal animal animation.
Trust in me.
I'm a huge fan of the original book. It's really extraordinary writing. He was quite a guy, Kipling. So when Djona Favroa said, "Would you like to do this?" I really couldn't say no.
Fear, danger, humor, and also emotion. I really want to tackle those sensibilities. When we meet Mowgli, he's a 10-year-old. He's grown up in the jungle.
These are two different animals, but they have formed a family unit.
Shir Kan is, without a doubt, the leader of the jungle.
Man is forbidden!
And he goes on this deadly pursuit.
As with all of my films, it always starts with the cast. I have to have a great cast.
Am I in the right monkey temple?
I think for voice performance, the trick is to have them really act it like they're in the film.
Season!
I can show myself out. Thanks. Bye-bye.
As they start to see the animation and work with each other, it starts to get fun.
Mowgli finds his own family. That's the beauty of the story. He creates his own.
Families come in all different shapes and sizes, and it's a story that everybody relates to.
You have a good story you're all telling together, the good things happen.